It's Sunday morning, it's Camp Seagull. It's about 8:30 and all the campers are packing up to leave. We've just had our breakfast and now we're going to get ready and get everything sorted out, and then we're going to be leaving ourselves probably around 11:30. It's actually been a fabulous weekend. We got really lucky with the weather, and I'm very happy about that because it would have been pretty chilly in those cabins otherwise. Food's been good, and the only disappointment is it was a bit too early for swimming because the water hasn't quite warmed up yet. But it is only the, what is it, 2nd or 3rd of April, so I can't complain. So there we go. Over there in the distance is the pier and the swimming pool, and there's volleyball and basketball and baseball and just about every sport you can think of. So, happy Sunday.